Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add bots to your server on your Discord. So there are two ways to do so. The first one is the official list of bots on Discord, and we're gonna start with that. So over here at the top, click on your server name and then go to server settings. Now over here you will find app directory. Here you can find lots of different bots. And for instance, over here you can select the category if you want to find something more specific, or if you even have a name of the bot, then you can type it over here in order to find it. I'm gonna go to entertainment, and let's say I want to add this bot over here. Over here you will find add bot to server button. Let's click on it. You will see that you are leaving the Discord. This is probably the website of the bot. So let's click visit site. And then you should see something like this. There will be information about what the bot requires from your server, the access to certain features, and then over here you can also select to which server it should be added. So over here you will find all servers that you are admin on, or you have permissions to add bots to the server. So after that you can press continue. And then you will see even more information. So over here you can decide what permissions you want to grant for that bot. Ideally you want to grant every access that it is required from the bot. However, you have to be careful what you add on your server, because some bots might be malicious and you don't want to give them too many rights, if any at all. And after that, once you go through these permissions, at the very bottom you will find this authorize button. So let's click over here. Confirm that you are human, and then go through the captcha, and then you will see the probably website of your bot and on your Discord server. So now over here I can press escape. Let's press escape once again, and then over here you can see that I have the bot added to my server. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.